Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, you guys know what to do, like and subscribe. For today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys ano pwedeng makeup for a date day hindi date night kasi light makeup lang ginawa ko. Lakad with friends or anything that you just wanna, you know, have a get up. So this makeup is a light makeup that I normally go to because I'm not really a fan of dark makeup. I normally just use dark makeup if night formal event siya. I normally put dark eyeshadow, or it depends on what I'm wearing. If you guys want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna start with Philippe Floral Essence. You close your eyes and you spray 2 to 3 times on your face. You use it before or after makeup. I'd use it before makeup. And eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna make it neat. Clean it, but at the same time, I still want a natural vibe. I don't know, like in my face, I don't really like dark makeup. I feel like it doesn't suit my face. There are people na bagay talaga, bagay sa kanila yung dark. For the eyebrows, pala, I forgot to say. Silky Girl Natural Brow Soft Black one. It's been with me for so long kasi I like the color black, soft black, because I find it natural kasi sa brown. Sometimes I really put a very small amount just to have a color because it's up to you if you want a dark brown or pwede rin light lang. Time is it? 9:27. Oh my god, it's so fun. I'm still using Fit Me as a shade. In the shade 220. So I normally just put here. Time check, it's 10:29. The concealer I have Maybelline. Oh my god, focus. It works! Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light 10. I'm gonna use an angled brush and the same concealer to clean my eyebrows. I mentioned this in the Turning Myself into an ABG. You use concealer to erase. If you did a mistake or like you wanna erase something, use a concealer. You don't use wipes to erase because you will be erasing the layer that you've made, like the foundation. For my eyes, I'm gonna use this brush with my contouring palette. I just want a brown shade. You see the difference? Pero on the other side, pag to di pantay, it's hard if you have like one eyelid, mono eyelid. There, can you see it? Because I really see it, but like it's really light, which is something that I like. If ever that I'm going on a date and it's daylight, I like it na light lang siya. Going to put my blush first. Oh my god, I forgot to say again. For my blush, okay, wait. For the one I use for my eye, I'm using the Etude House contouring palette. And for my cheek, I'm using the Caroline Oil Control Blush na Peach Glow. So, I like peach kasi it's not really pink. Napansin ko, I like it sa mga light skin. But like for those medium skin to dark skin, mas bet ko yung red sa kanila. Highlight and contour na. Highlight muna. Same Etude House contouring palette. Oh my god, what time is it? Highlighting, highlight your nose, and then your cheekbone. And if I know how to put falsies, I'd put one. I'll be using this brush. It's different from the other one. This is more matigas. Mas matigas siya than the one I used for my eye. I am using this for my nose contour because mas control mo yung angle. But it's not as strong as angled brush. Ito naman yun. Gusto naman yan. Time check, it's 9:44. I need to leave at 9:45. I don't normally contour my cheekbone. Because, I don't know, I have this, do you see this? I don't know what that is, but I'm good stuff with that. And then, I would be putting on mascara. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl. As you can see, there's no eyelash at all. I want the lashes to be seen kasi the lashes really pops your eyes eh. I'm gonna use my mascara now. Do you see the difference? Period. I'm always having a hard time kapag left na. For my lips, raspberry kiss because I just want a gloss but has a color. Time is it? See? Oh my gosh. It's so pink. I feel cute. Yes, yes, yes. Bababa na ako. It's Chinese New Year today kaya kailangan ko ng malas. Yoko na. So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this video helped you guys to have an easy makeup look for your date, for lakad, or for anything. Comment down below what you guys want to see from me. Follow me on my socials at Krisha, both on Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok to get to know me better. Follow me on my Facebook page, Krisha Joy, and Kumu, and like account at Krisha as well. Click the notification bell down below so you guys won't miss an upload. And yeah, see you guys next time. Big,